Here we go, we got a freight train. It's come from Westbury Tarmac Place and it's going to Tunstead. So this is basically on real time's train app. It's going to be taking 9 hours for its whole travel. So we'll just see this go through. What class is that then? I don't know, I'm just going to shut up now.
Well, I seen that going and it went through. But from no code.
You wave and see if he does his horn.
Oh,
No, you got to wave big so we can see you. What do you reckon? You go? Oh, there we go. You reckon you go down the middle track? So it's a Friehgtliner train. Is it cement? What's that? 66. Oh, he's waving. He's waving. Oh, he's waving. Oh. Yes, that's going to be taking 9 hours for its start to finish journey. Oh, some lovely graffiti there. There we go.
there's another freight train. I want to see that one. Can I?
No, that's the only freight train.
No, I'll check on my trains up in a minute. And I'll show you. But it might be later. There are no car trains there. I'm breaking it. I'll just do
Oh, thunder.